Hey, it's Dave, and I'm going to walk you through opening up an account on our new website so you can start taking advantage of some of our referral and rewards programs. So the first step on our website is to take a look at the top right-hand corner of the screen where you see a green box with 3 lines. Click on that. A drop-down menu is going to open up, and all you need to do is click on My Account. So once the My Account page is open, look in the middle of the screen off to the right a little bit for the registration or register box. This is where you're going to enter in your email address and then click register just below that. Just be patient here, like a minute or two, and an auto-generated password will be sent to that email address. So once you received the email with your temporary password, go back to the My Account page. Looking at the middle of the page to the left a little, you'll see the login section. Enter in your email address you previously used, the temporary password we just gave you, and click Login. Now that you're all logged in, you should have landed on your My Account page. Just below where it says My Account, there's a handful of clickable links. You want to look for the one that says Referral Link. Well, if we've done everything right, you're on the referral link page under My Account. Around the center of the page, you should see a link that you can copy and paste and share however you choose. So let me tell you about the referral code. Whoever you share this with, and then they click and use it, suppose they buy something, they're actually going to get a 10% discount off of their first purchase. And interestingly enough, you're actually going to get 10% in rewards from their first purchase. You can keep track of all your accrued points under the Points tab under the My Account page. Also, next time you check out, if you have some of these points, you'll see the option to apply those towards your next purchase. You just add them, you'll see the discounted price, check out, and enjoy.